kapuso, it's Bistag time. Ug karon atong makauban ang usa ka singer/freelance host all the way from Maragusan, Davao de Oro. Walay lain kundi si Jonah Teengfo. Good morning, Miss Jonah, and welcome din his at home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing good, doing great, attorney.
We just wanna ask Miss Jonah, unsa na ang imuhang gikabisihan sa pagkakaron?
For now, full-time freelancer ko as a receptionist based in Canada, as well as freelance hosting and singing.
With your experiences as a freelance amidst the pandemic, how's the situation going on so far po ba? Madami na bang mga clients as of the moment, lalo na't medyo maluwag na yung ating mga restrictions?
So far, attorney, sa karon, marami ng clients kasi maluwag-luwag na tayo sa pandemya ngayon at nalilift na yung mga events like weddings and other events, most especially that election is around the corner.
Let's look back also when you were still starting your career. When did you discover ba na may talent ka na sa acting? And take us back to that first ever performance.
Actually, na-discover ako ng parents ko. 2 years old pa lang ako, attorney. And then, nag-start ako nung elementary ako sa mga competition like amateur singing contest and as well as yung mga contest sa school. Diyan talaga ako nag-start. And it's not an easy task actually being an artist during that time. It's not about winning. Pero sa ngayon talaga, during the pandemic, hindi ka nasisikat. Pag join ka ng competition, usually sumisikat ka sa like doing TikToks and mostly posting on social media.
Unsa sa ba mga hurdles nga imong na-encounter along the way sa imong career and how were you able to cope up with it?
So, para ma-cope up ng mga challenges, like for example, sa being an artist, no, kailangan lang jud maging positive and kailangan na i-pursue lang jud nimo imong career, labi na imong passion sa singing, kay kung ingon ana mo good imong mind setting, ang mga blessings, ang mga events actually magpaduol jud sa imuha.
Papaunsa ba ka natabangan sa imuhang talento and what's your next big step na dapat naming abangan?
Actually, attorney, it is really a big help to me, no? Kay I am the breadwinner rather sa amo ang pamilya and nakatabang jud siya labi na sa ako ang single mom nga parent. Nakatabang-tabang jud ang ako ang passion sa singing industry na matabangan akong mama sa pagpaskwela sa akong mga manghod.
And of course, we will not end this interview if hindi ka magpasample. Please go ahead.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my head. In other words, darling, kiss me.
And to wrap up naman, aduna ba kayo mensahe sa atong mga aspiring na mga kapuso viewers nga aduna po'y talento? Baka you have some words of encouragement and inspiration alang sa ilahang tanan.
Yes, gina-encourage na ko tanang mga artists nga ayaw mag-undang sa pagkanta, ayaw mag-undang nga ipakita inyohang talento kay naadjud mo kapadulngan.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Miss Jonah, for sharing your time this morning. Keep on soaring high and we wish you all the best. God bless always.
Thank you.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.